Lesson 7.8, Special Products. Now when you have special products, there's two formulas that you can memorize. This is the first one. Now, if you don't want to memorize the formula, that's fine. Because the way that you multiply these out is, if you notice it says squared. So t plus 6 is going to be multiplied by another t plus 6. That's what squared means. It means multiply it by itself. So feel free to use the formula. If not, just multiply this out using the distributive property of FOIL. T times t, t squared. T times 6, 6t. 6 times t, another 6t. And 6 times 6 is 36. Combine the like terms in the middle. T squared plus 12t plus 36. And that's the answer. So, before I solve B, you should pause and try this on your own. Five y times 5y is 25y squared. 5y times 1 is 5y. 1 times 5y is another 5y. And 1 times 1 is 1. Notice the like terms in the middle. 25y squared plus 5 and 5 makes 10y plus 1 is the answer. So again, write the parentheses out twice, use distributive property, and you get to your answer. Now the second formula is the same as the first one, except it does minus. All the first two examples I showed you all were plus. This is minus. Okay? So I'm going to write out the parentheses twice. 7m minus 2p, 7m minus 2p. Distribute 7m times 7m, 49m squared. 7m times negative 2, negative 14 mp. Negative 2p times 7m, another negative 14 mp. And negative 2p times negative 2p makes positive 4p squared. Combine like terms in the middle. 49m squared minus 28mp plus 4p squared. All right, before I do D, you should try it on your own. Okay, let's see if you got it right. 9c times 9c, 81c squared. 9c times negative 8, negative 72c. Negative 8 times 9c, another negative 72c. Negative 8 times negative 8, positive 64. Combine your like terms in the middle. 81c squared minus 144c plus 64. And that's how you multiply the ones out that have a squared next to them. Now the last slide, it deals with ones where there's one plus and one minus. So pause if you want to write down the formula and stuff. Now, if you notice that there's only two parts to this answer. There's whatever the first part is, squared, and whatever the second part is, squared, with a minus in between. So, if you have the same parentheses except one plus and one minus, all you have to do is first and last. So p to the fourth times p to the fourth is p to the 8. And then negative 8 and positive 8 is negative 64. That's the answer. You should try the other ones now before I do, so you should pause here. All right, so first, d times d, d squared. Negative 11 and positive 11. Negative 121. First, c squared. That's c to the fourth. Last, negative 8, positive 8. Negative 64. And the final question. First, 9v cubed, 81v6. Last, negative w4 times w4, w to the 8th. And that's how you multiply them together when you have 1 plus and 1 minus and everything else is the same. All right, hope this was helpful.